Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to head upriver on Plaquemines Parish Highway 15, a former alignment of Louisiana Highway 39. We'll be following the Mississippi River levee through a few of the most remote communities of Plaquemines Parish on the east bank of the river. We enter the unincorporated community of Bohemia. The community had a population of around 200 at the turn of the 21st century, but the area was heavily affected by Hurricane Katrina in 2005, leaving only 25 homes standing. Residents of the tight-knit community were scattered, and many of them remained where they evacuated to, never to return. We enter the unincorporated community of Pointe Hache, which had an estimated population of 134 as of 2019. The community has been the parish seat of Plaquemines Parish since the parish's formation in 1807. Ahead on the left is a ferry that connects to West Point, Hache across the Mississippi River. This is the most downriver vehicle crossing of the river. Ferry service began at this site in June of 1933. Although the ferry originally carried a toll, it was also free at some points in its history. Today, a $1 toll is collected for cars and motorcycles and $2 for vehicles with 3 or more axles. The ferry holds 40 cars and is capable of carrying trucks or buses up to 50 feet in length. The ferry makes a round trip every 30 minutes during daytime hours. On the right is the Plaquemines Parish Courthouse. On January 12, 2002, the historic building was destroyed by fire. Federal authorities determined that the fire had been intentionally set to destroy records of a botched theft of a boat motor. The damage was in excess of $2.5 million. Records in the courthouse dated back to the 1790s. Almost all of the records in the clerk's office were rescued by brave locals and passers-by, removing them from the burning building, even as valiant firefighters hopelessly battled the blaze. The facade of the building and bell tower with functioning clocks has been preserved. A plaque on the front of the building commemorates the rebuilding of the courthouse in 1915 after a previous fire. A monument honors residents of Plaquemines Parish who served and died in the First World War. Another monument is dedicated to residents who fought in World War II. In 1976, a monument was added in memory of those who died in the Korean and Vietnam Wars. Multiple efforts have been made over the years to relocate the parish seat to Belchase. However, these attempts were rejected by voters. In late 2015, construction began on a new $20 million, 36,000 square foot elevated courthouse on a site directly behind the old courthouse. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.